Good morning, children. In the last class, we have started the story, The Mirror. There are two characters in the story, the fisherman and his wife. They live in a lonely island where there is no electricity, no television, no newspaper, and nothing. For the first time, the fisherman has seen a mirror, and in this class we can see what has happened with the mirror.
The first part of the story we have seen a fisherman who has found a mirror while he was walking on a seashore, and he thinks that it is the picture of his father because he had never seen his own face before. So he thinks that the mirror is his father's picture. He ran to his house with that thing. So here, holding this mirror close to his heart, he ran to the house. Then what did happen in the house? We can see. The fisherman reached home and called his wife in excitement. Excitement means feeling of great enthusiasm or intense joy. So the fisherman was very much overjoyed, or he was very happy, and reached home and he called his wife. See who is there in it, and asked her to see who is in that thing. He showed her the mirror. He handed the mirror to his wife. She looked eagerly into it. She saw the face of a woman in it. So the woman, the wife of the fisherman, was very eager to know what is in that mirror. She saw the face of a woman when she looked into that mirror. Means she saw her own face in that mirror, but she had never seen her own face. So what did she think? Oh, my mother, she looks so young. She thinks that it is the picture of her mother, and her mother is so young, and she was very happy. She was thrilled to see her mother very young. Where did you get this thing from? Mother. Whose mother? And the fisherwoman asked the fisherman, from where did he get this thing? And the fisherman was very angry when he heard that it is the picture of her mother. Mother? Whose mother? The fisherman turned the mirror towards his face. So he was very much angry, and he took the mirror from his wife's hand and he looked into the mirror again. And what did he say? He says that it's my father. She grabbed the mirror from him and looked into it again. And then what did the wife do when she heard it was his father's picture? She took the mirror, grabbed means took the mirror from him and looked into it again. Are you joking? It's my mother. So he says that, are you making fun of me? And he says that, and she says that it is my mother, she cried out. The man was annoyed and snatched the mirror. Annoyed means angry. The man was very angry and he took the mirror from her hands. He looked at it again to assure himself that it was his father. So he looked into the mirror again to make sure that it was his father. There is something wrong with you. You are going crazy. I will never show you this again, he said. What did the fisherman say? He said that there is something wrong with his wife. You are going crazy. Crazy means mad. He says to his wife that you are going mad, and he will not show this mirror again. His wife tried to grab the mirror from him. So his wife was not ready to accept that it was the picture of his father. She took the mirror from him. The fisherman held on to it again. The fisherman was not ready to give the mirror to his wife. So they started battling for the mirror. So there was a quarrel between fisherman and his wife for the mirror. The mirror fell down on the floor and broke into pieces. So as a result of the quarrel, this mirror fell on the floor and it broke into pieces. They stopped fighting and looked at the pieces, and the pieces reflected their images. So at last they find that the mirror was broken into pieces, and these pieces reflected their images. So we have completed the first chapter. So this is the end of the story.
Today we have seen the reaction of the fisherman and wife who has seen the mirror